Welcome to the Chiefs Way. Now mash that subscribe button or drop and give me 50!
Hey YouTube, today I'm doing an upgrade video to this DEFCON vehicle install that I did a couple videos ago. Because if you look around in the cars, the way they're made, is all the wiring has this protective plastic covering on it. So I went and got these from Harbor Freight. I got a 1/2 inch and a 1/4 inch protective coverings. 1/2 inch we're going to be using on the the bundle when all three of them are together, and where they split up we're going to be using the 1/4 inch. All right, so if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe, and if you'd like to help out the channel, you can always hit that join button or hit that super thanks button. So let's get started. Okay, I started by pulling out the red wire, and I'm just going to feed it through and cut it off at the length we need. All right, we got the red wire in there. Goes down and around and up. So now it's going to go ahead and feed the wire down, the casing down through, and put the green wire all the way back up to here. So let's do that. I'm actually finding it easier if I start here and feeding it in and just pushing the wire wrap down around, instead of trying to go from that end and putting it in all the way around. So let's see how this works, and I think it'll work out for the best. And fed it through, and it went all the way around and up to here. So that's the way to do it. All right, now I'm going to start the black wire, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to feed it down and up around to this point here. Okay, we got the black wire is all on now. So all we got to do is use that 1/2 inch stuff and cover up the main 3-wire rung, and we'll be good to go. Okay, we got it on there. We're all done. Let's get some extra light. You see we got the big 1/2 inch piece, which goes down to, right about there. And then we could see the other 3 pieces down there. You can see the green wire throwing through the crack. I'm going to turn that probably the other direction. And then there's the red, also down the black wire down there, heading off to the left, and the red wire that goes down around and up to here. Oh, so let's get this cap on. All right, so here was black wires protected. We saw the red wires protected, and our green ground wires protected. All right, so if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. And if you like this DEFCON and you think you'd like it for your car, look down in the description. There'll be a link down there for it. All right, bye-bye.